Hey, ever wanted to see the pyramids? Cruise the Nile and step inside a real pharaoh's tomb? All in just 5 days. Yes, you heard it right. 5 days. From riding camels in Giza to sailing past ancient temples, this Egypt itinerary packs in all the bucket list experiences. So keep watching, travelers. Day 1. Once you land at Cairo International Airport, check into your hotel and relax. Start kicking things off with one of the greatest wonders on earth. Yes, you're right, the Great Pyramid of Giza. Then meet the mysterious Sphinx, the giant half-lion, half-human statue that's been watching over the desert for thousands of years. Then step into the Valley Temple, where ancient priests once prepared royalty for the afterlife. Wrap up your legendary first day with a delicious Egyptian dinner. Now that's a perfect welcome to Egypt's rich flavors and even richer stories. Day 2. Today you are about to unlock the secrets of Egypt's golden past. Start at the Egyptian Museum, the home to over 120,000 artifacts, ancient treasures including King Tut's famous golden mask. Yes, it's as cool as it sounds. Next, head up to the Citadel of Saladin for amazing views over the city. While you are there, step inside the stunning Mosque of Muhammad Ali. It's bright, beautiful and made almost entirely of white stone. That's why they call it Alabaster Mosque. In the afternoon, wander through the lively Khan el Khalili Bazaar, a mix of colors, scents and sounds. Shop for spices, jewelry or lanterns, and don't forget to sip some tea at a local cafe. It's the perfect place to sit back, relax and soak in the Cairo vibe. Day 3. Today, fly south to Luxor, once the mighty capital of ancient Thebes. Your adventure begins at Karnak Temple, a vast complex of statues and massive columns that feel like a city of their own. Later, explore Luxor Temple, beautifully lit under the night sky. In the evening, board your Nile cruise. Grab a welcome drink, settle into your cabin and get ready for epic river views. The dinner is served on deck, yes, with fairy lights and all. And some cruisers even throw in live music or belly dancing to set the vibe. Don't forget to head up to the top deck, perfect for stargazing or just watching the Nile sparkle under the moonlight. Day 4. As promised, it's time to meet the pharaohs. Once you cross the west bank, explore the Valley of the Kings, home to the tombs of ancient rulers. Then visit the Valley of Queens, where ancient royals were laid to rest in vibrant chambers. Next stop, the breathtaking temple of Hatshepsut as a tribute to Egypt's first powerful female pharaoh. On your return, pause at the Colossi of Memnon, massive stone statues that have stood watch for over 3 millennia. Spend the evening cruising south, watching life unfold along the Nile's peaceful banks. Day 5. Your journey ends in Aswan, a city brimming with culture and serenity. Start with a boat ride to Philae Temple, dedicated to the goddess Isis and surrounded by tranquil waters. Later, visit a Nubian village, where bright homes and warm smiles welcome you. Learn about Nubian traditions, try local food, and maybe pick up hand-painted souvenirs. Before you go, hop on a felucca, a traditional sailboat, and let the Nile carry you one last time. Depart from Aswan International Airport with memories carved in stone and sunsets etched in your soul. If you enjoyed this itinerary, hit that like button, subscribe to TBO Academy and join us for more special journeys.